I was up inspecting a roof for a client and noticed this. Now, this is not my client's roof, but this is clearly a chimney that has been ignored for many, many years. And this is what will happen when you fail to maintain your chimney, replace the crown when needed, deal with cracks, and the worst thing you can do is attempt to seal the chimney using tar, as they did here. All that tar does is trap the moisture in the chimney itself, and when wintertime comes along, the water in the mortar joints in the brick freezes and slowly destroys this chimney. And so if anyone goes up on your roof with tar to fix your chimney, do yourself a favor, find yourself a new contractor. Okay, perfect example of what can happen when people who don't know how to maintain the chimney properly get on your roof. Till next time.